In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use Substance materials in Unity. So you first need, of course, to download and install Unity, which is totally free. You can download it and install it from the official website, and you probably already did that. Or probably also you know Substance as well, because this is pretty famous right now. It's software to create materials and textures for characters and game props and objects and so on. So it's really nice way to improve your assets in Unity or also Unreal Engine. You can use Substance for many different reasons in 3D design. So if you are watching this video, you probably are already using Unity or either Unity or Substance, and you want to know how to work with them all together. Now, the first thing, of course, is to download Unity Hub to install and launch a Unity scene, and also you will need the Substance Launcher, which is an application that will let you use the various Substance tools. So Substance has many tools, and you can check the various products here in the website. You can also see a couple of pages like Substance Source and Substance Share, where you can get materials for free. Many of these are free assets, so you can download these for free. Just click here in the download button, and you can use these already in Unity or Unreal or other software that supports Substance. So you also can use the Substance Share, which is another platform which you will find a lot of assets again, which are shared by other users, I guess. So you have materials and smart materials, atlases, and other stuff. Now, also you will need to install in the Unity this plugin here or add-on, which is called Unity Substance in Unity. So it's coming from the asset store, so you can access this from here with this link, or you can access this directly into Unity. Now you have to create an account for everything. You need to create an account for Unity, an account for Substance, in order to use all this stuff that we are going to use in this video. So just take your time, create your accounts, and then when you're ready, you can just click here and say open in Unity. And well, also another tip I want to give you is that you can find this format SBSAR, which is the format of Substance material, in a lot of websites. So you can just search for SBSAR free, and you can find a lot of websites where you can download Substance materials and use them in Substance or Unity or any other 3D software. Okay, now enough with this part concerning the web. Let's get into action. So here I have my Unity Hub here and my Substance Launcher. Now I can use this again to download from here. I can click and download stuff. And every time I download something, I will find it in my download folder. So you can see here I have downloaded some of, well, this one was created in Substance, but other materials here were directly downloaded from the Substance source. Okay, now once you have everything set, you just have to create a new project in Unity. So if you are new to Unity, just go here and select, for example, this 3D with extras. So you're gonna create a project here, which is gonna have something inside. And I already did that, so I will open up this Unreal Engine project. And this is the standard 3D level with the basic assets. And as you can see here, I have already started to play with Substance materials a little bit. Now these are all models taken from the web. So if you check our other video guides in this channel, you will find video guides on how importing models into Unity coming from different applications, and how also you can manage them. Also how to not only to import, but also how to export from Unity. But in this video, we're gonna concentrate on this. Now this is the standard assets that you're gonna find in the in this scene when you first open it. And now what you need to do first is to, well, you can also access the, you can see here I've already activated a substance. So when it's activated, you should see this drop-down menu right at the top here. Now to activate substance, you need to go to Window and select the asset store. Just lost it, there it is. Okay, and here is the same thing of the website. So basically you can get to this one here, say open in Unity, and it's gonna ask you to open up Unity. So you say, okay, open up Unity editor, and well, that's basically the same thing. And there you go. So it's gonna open up this panel here, and you can say, okay, import, and once it's finished to import, you can install it. And you can do the same thing inside the Unity directly. You can type substance, and it's gonna find lots of stuff. You must look for this one here, which is the substance in Unity. You can see it's already grayed out because I already installed it. So just click here, download. Once it's finished, you click import, and well, it's now doing all the installation part, but I already did that. So yeah, it's telling me that it's already there, so I cannot do it a second time. And once you do that, you don't have to restart or anything. You should see directly the substance drop-down menu. Now what we can do here is go to preferences and set the standard texture resolution and do other settings here, but these are, you know, a little bit technical. And then you can get here to substance source. So it's opening up another panel, which you can dock this as well in the interface. And this is basically what you find again in the substance official website. But there you go. If you go here, substance source, that's the same thing, but here you can only download in your computer, in your download folder, the various assets. While when we use this one here, well, it's a bit slow, but yeah, there it is. So if you click here, this is going to bring this one directly into your content folder. And when it's finished, you will see, well, let me show you. For example, let's go here in the free assets, let's download this leather. If I click here, well, of course, it's gonna ask you again for the login. So you need to use the same login and password that you used to when you install the Substance Launcher. You can see here I have already the account, so I just need the password, and I will paste it here to the login. So again, this is something you need to do. Now it's showing me the ones that I already download, and well, I can, let's say I want also this one. I click here, and you can see here the percentage of the download. So when this is finished, it's gonna create a folder here. I already did that with another material. So if I go to materials, and now it's, yeah, you can see here these are other materials that I have already downloaded. I think it's finished. So there it is. So when you import a substance material in Unity, it's pretty cool because you have this arrow here. You can click here and you have all the assets stored inside this kind of a group object. So what you have here is the different textures, which are like the diffuse, the occlusion, specular, and I think this is the normal, yeah. And then you have two nodes. One node is the material, is the Unity material, and you can also modify that here with these parameters. And the other one, this one here, is the substance material or substance node. Now here you can also change things. For example, you can get rid of the base color or get rid of the normal, and what you can also work with the luminosity, the contrast. You can see it's affecting the material, and the U shift, saturation, and so on. Now well, also here you have you can change the resolution. You can increase or decrease the resolution of the textures, And one thing also you have here in the, let's call it the Unity inspector or Unity node, you also have the tiling. Now this is important when you have to scale down or scale up your material. You have to increase or decrease this value here. And well, also you have other stuff that you can use. Also you can, as I did in this scene, I have created a brand new material in Unity and use the textures to create a Unity material directly. This is another option if you want to do that. So if you right click and say create material, that's the new material. I can call this mix. All right. And now I can click on this little circle here and I can get my, well, any texture. So I can get also my latest leader texture and apply this. But maybe I can change the normal. I can use another normal here, for example, I don't know, maybe this one, ground normal. So I can mix and match and create my customized material based on the one that I am downloading. And you can just click and drag to apply it. Now, if you want to apply the one that you have downloaded, you click not on the substance sphere, but on this other sphere here, and you're gonna drag and drop that into your surface. And also you can change now, let me show you here the many different aspects. So that let me show you the tiling. So if I set, for example, 3, that's gonna make the texture much smaller. And if I set this 0.1, it's gonna go the other way, so it's gonna do this really large. And also you can, well, let's put back this to 1, and also you can change the height map. So well, nothing's happening. So sometimes you have to work with the height map, sometimes with the normal map. I think here you need to work with the normal map. Let's set this, for example, to 0. You can see I have no more the 3D superficial effect. If I set this to 1, I can see it more, and if I bump this up, let's say to 10, I can see it really hard. So basically you can edit your materials directly from these two nodes, from this one and this one, or you can create a new one. All right, now what if I have a substance material in my download folder? Now that's the other thing you can do when you install Substance. You can just file, you can import assets. So if you go to assets and say import new, you can continue to import materials. Now I want to create, well, this is another material. So you can see you cannot drag and drop this directly like that, but you have to open up this one and then drag and drop. So it's a bit tricky sometimes. And also this is another material here that I have customized a little bit. It's this one, abandoned factory tile floor, but I changed the where it is, there you go. I changed the color into a yellow one, and you can also do that. Okay, it's a little bit slow. I think it's continuing to download something. Okay, yeah, that's the abandoned floor, and I changed this from the, not here, but this node. I changed the color, and it turned out this way. So you can do a lot of stuff here with these materials from scratch, and you can use them to create your own materials. You can play a lot with all this stuff here. Now, I was telling you that you can continue to import things, so you can go also by going directly into the folder. And for example, let's bring in this wood here. So I will click and drag simply like that. So you can import assets like dragging and dropping. And there you go. So you just need an SBAR file, as I was telling you at the beginning of the video. So you can get this from everywhere on the web. Lots of people are sharing, and so you can get them. just wait, and there you go. That's our material, so I can apply that there. And yeah, it's too big, so I'm gonna scale it down by increasing the tiling, let's say to 4. And that's basically it. That's everything, well, the most thing that you can do with substance materials in Unity. So thanks for watching. Please, if you check our YouTube channel, you will find a lot of other videos and guides that you may like and need. So just go here into JVDTube, subscribe, stay tuned for other videos about Unity and other similar software and Substance, of course. Now, I will suggest you a couple of other tools that you may want to have a look at, which are Marmoset, which it's another similar to Substance, and also Armor Paint, which is totally free, and it's open source, and it's again similar to Substance as well. So again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.